Hi guys, this is the Medina Bookshelf that I have recently purchased from Flipkart, and this is an installation video. I'll do the installation by myself. The basic tools you will need is a screwdriver. It's pretty easy. This is engineered wood. The material is engineered wood. So as you can see, the plank number 4 will sit perpendicular to the plank number 6. The bottom holes will align as such, and I'll screw them together. The basis of this installation is that it consists of two C-like structures. Two 4-number planks and one 6-number plank will form the basic C-like structure. The number 4 planks will sit horizontally. The number 6 plank will connect the two number 4 planks. Here are basically 4 numbers of number 4 plank, 2 numbers of number 6 plank, 2 numbers of number 7 plank. The 7 plank is the smaller one, and 3 numbers of number 5 plank. So the number 5 plank will be the vertical structure. The 4 number plank will be the horizontal structure. The number 7 plank will sit behind the number 6 number plank. As you can see, this is the 5 number plank that will interconnect both the C structures. This will sit between the two C structures. These are the two C structures. I have already tightened them. This is the 7 number plank, the smaller one, the left side. Once you are done, this is how it will look. One number 5 plank on top, the number 4 plank, the number 4 plank on bottom with one number 5 plank. The two number 4s will be joined by the 6 number with a number 7 plank on the side. Once the core structure is ready, you can align the side planks with the two long pieces. This is how you align and then tighten it. Remember to try and level the structure. The edges should align with each other, or else it will look bad. Like so. There are holes made already. You just have to tighten the screws. So you have tightened the side planks, and the structure is almost ready. Only the top and bottom planks remain now. This is quite easy. You can do it yourself, but uh, it's a bit troublesome for your forearm. Now I'll fit the top and the bottom plank, and I'm almost done. The top and bottom planks are marked number 3. This is how it will look. I've also fixed the buffers. 5 numbers of buffers were given by the company. I've screwed them. This is how it looks. This is the bottom plank. The structure is almost tightened and complete. This is the top plank. And yeah, now I can use it. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching.